I just really liked the small school feel. I wanted to be able to meet my professors, know my classmates, and just really be able to create those relationships and be able to have a support system when I went to college. The River Bandits have a kind of a long-standing relationship with Augustana, sending a student over here for an internship. And they reached out and like, hey, like we're looking for a student. And my advisor just was like, hey, I think you'd be perfect for this. So just having that connection with the advisor, going back to being a small school and just creating those connections really just helped me get to this step. Interning here takes a lot of communication skills and just being able to communicate effectively, change your communication style, and just listen to people and help them. Really, you're just here to make their experience the best, so just being there for others is just one of the skills that I've really learned at Augie, whether it's just interacting with students in a diverse group of students or, a sports team or something like that. Just those communication skills I've really brought to the table here.
I'm a rotating intern here, so I've kind of seen a lot of different things, but typical game day, we get here about 2 o'clock. We're just really here just getting the park ready, getting everything ready, setting up the picnic areas for fans, setting up different stands and stuff like that. Then come game time, I'm just here to be an extra hand, bounce around, just trying to fill in wherever I can, trying to stay busy, trying to help everybody out. I really came in here looking for just to gain those valuable communication skills and just being able to lead a group of people, be able to help people through different experiences. So just leaving here knowing that I've taken a couple steps forward and worked towards that is something that I'm here with.